यस।
लॉर्डशिप, आपने आज के लिए इसको फिक्स किया था वो।
यस मैडम।
दिस इज रिगार्डिंग कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट।
यस, डॉली चंद्रा वाला।
यस सर,
नहीं
डॉलर।
लॉर्डशिप, एक रिसेंट जजमेंट है 2024 1 ऑफ एससीसी
हाँ
428
हाँ
दिव्या वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ दिव्या।
हाँ।
इसमें क्लियरली ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि इन केस जहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट होते हैं और रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रिस्क्राइब टाइम के अंदर इनके द्वारा अगर पेश नहीं किया जाता
हाँ।
देन दे विल बी इनएलिजिबल फॉर द
वेट, which judgment you are referring? 2024।
2024 1
हाँ।
एससीसी 448।
फोर्थ पीरियड निकालो भाई। टू थाउजेंड 24 1 SSC 448। मैडम की दी प्लेस प्लेसिटम प्लीज डिडक्ट निकालो सेटिशन अब पढ़ो।
which part?
प्लेसिटम ए held income and assets for the particular financial year prior, that is relevant भाई। वो तो फाइनेंशियल इनकम आपकी प्रायर टू दी वो होगी, वहां तक तो ठीक है। ये तो उस पॉइंट में है भाई।
इसमें
पढ़िए पढ़िए पढ़िए।
लॉर्डशिप इसमें रूल्स की बात की गई है
हाँ
कि
पढ़िए।
अगर जो रूल्स इन्होंने बनाए हैं उस प्रिस्क्राइब टाइम में अगर डॉक्यूमेंट्स इनके द्वारा पेश नहीं किए जाते और इवन इन दिस केस आल्सो लॉर्डशिप।
एक मिनट पहले इसका इसका फैक्ट बताइए जरा। वही सर्विस लॉ में फैक्ट्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बताइए जरा।
लॉर्डशिप इन पैरा 58 and to 67
ऑलराइट।
reservation concession exemption relaxation and affirmation action economic
हाँ
backwardness EWS category civil services examination rules 2002 rule number 13 27 and 28
पढ़िए पढ़िए।
interference with the decision of selection body whether permissible services examination rules 2022 cancellation of candidature of petitioner under EWS category for failure to submit income and asset certification for financial year 2020-21 in prescribed from within stipulated date in terms of OM dated 19/1/2019 and 31/1/2019 date with rule 28 and 28 of the CAC rules 2022 I and AC for financial year 2021 must be as per prescribed norms and in possession of the candidature cutoff date via 22 February 2022, which was to be uploaded before the mains examination. Hence, UPSC was justified in rejecting candidature of petitioner for consideration under EWS category.
लॉर्डशिप, इन्होंने अपने रिप्लाई में ये सबमिट किया है पैरा नंबर 3 में कि पिटिशनर फेल टू सबमिट हिज कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट। बट लॉर्डशिप, काइंडली सी पेज नंबर 34। उसमें तो हमने फाइनल राउंड में सारे डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट किए हैं। ये उसका
आपको रिजेक्शन का कारण मैडम दूसरा है। आप कह रहे हैं कि 21/12 की कोई जो कट ऑफ डेट वही वाला केस है।
नहीं, लॉर्डशिप, इसमें हमने स्पेसिफिकली लिखा है कि हमारे इस पैरा में हमने इनको प्रिस्क्राइब टाइम किया था। इस टाइम में इन्होंने अपना डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट
नो नो दी लेट दी हमने क्वेरी किया था आपसे कि ऑन द काउंट द पिटिशनर हैज सबमिटेड कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट व्हिच इज ऑफ 30/12/19 व्हिच इज आफ्टर 21/11/19। 21/11/19 की डेट का क्या महत्व है बताइए, क्या लिखा है आपने? 21/12/19 का महत्व क्या है बताइए।
लॉर्डशिप इसमें 21/12/19 को तो इन्होंने सबमिट किया।
नहीं आपने
वही तो हुआ है।
आपने क्यों 21/11 की आफ्टर 21/11 देखिए ना रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर में पढ़िए कि आपने 21/11/2019 को क्यों बोला है 21/12/19 को क्यों बोला है आपने ये बताइए 21/11/19 की डेट क्यों मानी है
आपका डेट ऑफ 21/12/2019।
इसको पानी की किताब निकालना तो देखो अरे किताब है ना अपने मंगाना पड़ेगा किताब इसकी किताब मंगाना पड़ेगा नहीं ये वाली बुक ये जजमेंट निकालना पड़ेगा बुक है कि नहीं अपने यहाँ लाइब्रेरी में प्रिंट आउट निकाल आपके यहाँ पे कहाँ पे लिखा है कि कट ऑफ डेट की जो पहले सर्टिफिकेट अगर आ जाएगा आपके पास डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन कब होगा स्क्रूटनी में जब आओगे तभी तो होगा ना
मैंने पैरा 5 में लॉर्डशिप में हमारे एफिडेविट के पैरा 5 में
क्या लिखा है
it is submitted that in the advertisement dated not in 2019, it has been clearly mentioned in para 8, subpara 7 that the candidates who are appearing for the aforesaid examination should appear before competent authority on the date of result declaration or before it, along with all relevant documents.
who are appearing for the process should appear before the on the date of result declaration
Not
on the date of तो उस दिन तो अपियर हुए ही है विद द सर्टिफिकेट मैडम आपने क्या किस ग्राउंड में रिजेक्ट किया सर्टिफिकेट कि 21/11/2019 के देखिए P1 को पढ़िए इनके ऑर्डर को देखिए हम अलाउ कर रहे हैं आपकी जजमेंट को डिस्टिंग्विश करते हुए अलाउ करेंगे लिखो भाई आपके कंटेंशंस को भी लिख रहे हैं लिखो भाई The petitioner has filed this petition. Where is your order? कहाँ है ऑर्डर का है?
लॉर्डशिप
हैं?
P1
P4 इनका इंप्यूग ऑर्डर
Yes, has filed this petition selling the annexure P4 by which the petitioner's
rejection
appointment
P4.
petitioner's appointment on the post of teacher
Physical teacher
has been rejected on the count that the sub-divisional magistrate has issued the caste certificate on 30/12/2019, whereas whereas it should be it is after 21/11/2019. The brief facts as reflected from the record is that the the school education department government of Chhattisgarh has issued advertisement on what was the date of advertisement on
sir,
9/3/2019 for appointment on the post of teacher on the post of appointment of lecturer, teachers, cadre, शिक्षक T cadre, assistant teacher T cadre for science T cadres, assistant teacher laboratory E cadre देख लेना सारी बहुत सारी कैटेगरी एंड फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ है फिजिकल कहाँ है आपकी क्या है फिजिकल वालों का
sir.
कहाँ है विज्ञापन दूसरा लगा दिए क्या आप लोगों ने
नहीं सर
हैं
9/9/2019 की ये
वेयर दी एडवर्टाइजमेंट कहाँ है
सर ये पेज नंबर 24 में लिखा है सर कॉलम नंबर 5 में व्यायाम उच्चतर माध्यमिक परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण एवं DPAD और BPAD सहित स्नातक पेज नंबर 24.
पर उसकी वैकेंसी का क्या है, उसका नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है भाई? फॉर दी व्यायाम वाले कहाँ है इनके लिए भाई? साला
पेज नंबर 24, annexure P1.
उसकी वैकेंसी क्यों, कौन से फिजिकल इंस्ट्रक्टर की कौन सी पोस्ट निकली है क्या कहीं? विज्ञापन पूरा नहीं लगा है भाई आप लोगों का। फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट ऑन द पोस्ट ऑफ,
सर ये annexure P2 में सर फिजिकल एजुकेशन का
कहाँ लिखा है?
सर 31 पेज नंबर पे annexure P2 पे सर ये जो थर्ड में है सर संभागीय संयुक्त संचालक शिक्षा कार्यालय बिलासपुर में, ये जो इसमें सर मेरा नाम आया था ओबीसी कैंडिडेट में 25/3/2022 का सर,
पेज नंबर
पेज नंबर 31.
इसमें नाम लिखा है क्या आपका?
सर इसमें मेरा काउंसलिंग नंबर, मार्क्स, रैंक और रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर है.
Name is not mentioned.
नेम नहीं है। चलिए अब आपके ऑर्डर में तो लिखा है उसी में
Mention number of file the details.
ना ना ना, हो गया, खत्म करो भैया, दे दो नौकरी। फॉर अपॉइंटमेंट ऑन द पोस्ट ऑफ हायर, ऑन द पोस्ट ऑफ फिजिकल इंस्ट्रक्टर, पिटीशन फुल स्टॉप। दी वो डॉली चंद्रलाल जजमेंट का 2005 का। दी लंडन काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर वुड सबमिट दैट द पिटिशनर वाज सेलेक्टेड as reflected from annexure P2, that is page number 31 में है। The name of the roll number of the petitioner is at serial number, कौन सा सीरियल नंबर में आपका?
सर 3.
3 में, ठीक है। So, the London Council for the petitioner would submit that since he was selected and the examination, therefore he applied for, therefore he was called for counseling. But by annexure P4 his candidature has been rejected. Against that order, earlier the petitioner has preferred a representation before the authorities to consider the same, but it has not been considered, and therefore she has filed. Therefore, the petitioner has filed petition WPS number 4316/2022, wherein this court has passed the following order on 28/6/2022. यहाँ लिखो paragraph 3, page number 6. And in pursuance of the order passed by this court, the petitioner has preferred a make a representation on 4/7/2022, which was ultimately rejected by the, नहीं वो तो कहाँ अभी डिसाइड ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक ना,
सर
उसका आपका रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है।
सर इंटरिम डिसाइड हो गया है
Sir, reject हो गया.
कहाँ है?
Is the representation reject?
सर, हो गया है रिप्रेजेंटेशन.
P.
P7. Yes, the said representation has been rejected by the state, by the joint director in school education Vibhag Bilaspur, wide order dated 15/7/2022, on the count that earlier also the claim of the petitioner for appointment and has been rejected as rejected. Also, being agreed with this order, the petitioner has filed written writ petition. The London Council for the petitioner would submit that the आपका वो क्या ऑर्डर रिकॉर्ड दिखाइए कि एप्लीकेशन आपने कब पेश किया था वहाँ पे कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट के लिए?
Sir, caste certificate में लिखा.
कहाँ है?
February का था.
हैं?
February
कहाँ है वो?
27/2019.
27/2/2022. Annexure P3, page number 33.
The London Council for the petitioner would submit that the petitioner has applied for caste certificate before the sub-divisional magistrate Dondi Laura, sub-divisional officer Dondi Laura, Chhattisgarh on
सर फर्स्ट में है सर.
27 February 2019.
where it has been mentioned.
It is mentioned on annexure P3 में ऊपर में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आवेदन दिनांक.
हाँ, yes, on 7/2/2019.
27/2/2019.
27/2/2019, and which was prior to date of issuance of advertisement, that was issued on 9/3/2019.
Okay.
And thereafter the certificate has been issued on when?
issued on 30/12/2019.
30/12/2019 by the sub-divisional officer. Thus, she would submit that there is no mistake committed by the petitioner, and he should not be suffered because of the inaction or untimely action initiated by the petition by the department, and would pray for quashing of the order, and would pray that his case for appointment be considered. To substantiate her submission, she would refer the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in case of Dolly Chandra versus Chairman JE 2005 9 SSC 779. Full stop. The matter was listed on the last on 3/5/2024, wherein this court has directed to state to clarify what is the significance of the date of 21/11/2019, and they will also clarify that if the caste certificate is substantially issued, can it be ground to deny the service to the petitioner. This court has also directed the state to file affidavit whether the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in case of Dolly Chandra Supra is the state was directed to clarify whether the case of the petitioner can be considered in terms of Dolly Chandra Supra or not. And the state was also further directed that since the state government has already framed the Chhattisgarh Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribes and other backward classes Regulation of Social Status Certification Act 2013, which provides that if the benefits have been secured on the basis of post certificate, the benefit can be withdrawn, and whether the state was justified to deny the appointment. This specific query was raised to the state. In pursuance of direction given by this court, the state has filed their return, in which in paragraph 5 it has been affidavit. The state was directed to file affidavit wherein they have clarified the factual position. In para 5 it has been mentioned that the read कर देना as quote कर देना है paragraph 6 और 5 और 6 को आपने कब पहुंचे थे वहां पे इंटरव्यू वहां पे काउंसलिंग के लिए कब बुलाए थे
10/5/2022 का लॉर्डशिप
10/5/2022 उस दिन आपका सर्टिफिकेट था
लॉर्डशिप पेज नंबर 34 is
काउंसलिंग में सर्टिफिकेट था ना
yes lordship
बता दीजिए
number 34
हाँ and what is your said the state itself in the return has said that the candidate who are appearing for the apostate examination should appear before competent authority on the date of result declaration or before it, along with all relevant documents. And
according to paragraph 7 of
yes,
the advertisement.
what is the advertisement?
8 subparagraph 7.
She would the state would further submit that what is the clause you want to refer?
Clause 8 subclause 7.
8 subclause 7 क्या कहता है ये?
अभ्यर्थी को आवश्यक न्यूनतम शैक्षणिक अर्हता
पेज नंबर
लॉर्डशिप 29
all yes हाँ
शैक्षणिक अर्हता एवं अन्य प्रमाण पत्र व्यापम द्वारा परीक्षा फल जारी होने के तिथि अथवा उसके पूर्व प्राप्त करना अनिवार्य है।
आपका परीक्षा फल कब निकाला आपने? कब निकाला परीक्षा फल?
इक्कीस 11/2019 को
21/11/2019 the result was the learned counsel for the petitioner would submit that as per the rule 7 as per the minimum qualification and all the other certificate should be prior to the date of publication of the result, whereas and as per the result was declared on 21/12/2019 whereas the caste certificate was dated 30/12/2019, that is after the date of publication of the result. Therefore, it cannot be considered, and she would submit that the action taken by the state is legal and justified and does not warrant interfere by this court. I have heard and considered for the parties and perused the record. Also, the point to be determined by this, from the above stated discussion, the point to be determined by this court whether the action of the respondent in not granting the candidature on the petitioner on the count that the caste certificate was issued subsequently to the date of subsequent was issued subsequent to the date of publication of the result, but prior to counseling. Therefore, the point to be determined. Let's see. The learned counsel for the petitioner would submit that the result was declared on 21/12/2019 is not in dispute, but it is also not in dispute that the petitioner has applied for grant of succession for medical certificate on 27/2/2019, which was not given to the petitioner till the result was not declared, and as such there was no fault of the petitioner. Thus they would submit that the action of the respondent is in rejecting the candidature is illegal, whereas the learned counsel for the state would reiterating the submissions and would submit that the certificate issued by them by this SDO is subsequent date. As such, it has lost its significance and it cannot be considered for issuing the appointment in favor of the petitioner. And to substantiate the submission, the counsel for the state has referred the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in case of reported in 2024 1 SSC 448 in case of Divya versus Union of India. To substantiate this submission, and she would refer the paragraph of the judgment.
Because of, 82 to 90 and 92 to 93 rows.
Would you refer the paragraph
It is 92 and 93 rows.
92 to 93?
92 and 93, and before it 82 to 90.
82
To 90.
90. What do you want to say from these paragraphs?
Lordship, it has been categorically stated by the pronounced by the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship,
What?
that power, then hence Article 142 is a useful weapon in army of the Supreme Court to do complete justice, but same should be exercised with caution and circumspections. In the instant case, UPSC was justified in rejecting claim of petitioner for considering under EWS category, consideration under EWS category in the CSE rules 2022. Hence, in invocation of power under Article 142 was
Paragraph 86 में लिखा would submit that the rules clearly mandate that as held by this court in Gaurav Singh's 10. Gaurav Singh, the mistake and omission cannot be condoned as to extend the deadline for protection of the document. Neither the office memorandum, इसको paragraph 86 को quote करना है, and would pray for this, and she will further refer paragraph
82 to 90.
90. And would submit that the writ petition is deserved to be dismissed. I have heard that it's counsel for the party and again the from the above stated discussion from the learned counsel for the petitioner would submit that as per the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in case of Dolly Chandra, the case of the petitioner was to be considered and would pray for allowing the petition. First of the record of the case would show that the petitioner applied for grant of success certificate on 27/2/2019, much prior to issuance of advertisement. And it cannot be said that it is a subsequent event and when the procedure for issuance of caste certificate was with the officer of the state government, and as per the वो rule act निकालना था, उसमें कितने दिन में एसडीओ को जारी करना है, एसडीओ कितने दिन में, वो एक्ट में कितने दिन में जारी करेगा कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट, बताइए तो जरा, निकालिए। ये ना हाउ मच टाइम, ये अफसर अगर काम ना करे तो किसी की जीवन बर्बाद कर देंगे क्या? विद इन हाउ मच टाइम दे हैव टू इशू द सर्टिफिकेट, टाइम लिमिट है उनके लिए। ऑफिसर काम ना करे और किसी की जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाए। How much time they should come release issue the certificate? इसको जरा पढ़िए, रूल को 5 को पढ़िए। Issue of any person belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or other OBC class for issue of salary in such form and in such manner as may be prescribed. ठीक है। The company on receive application under section 3 after taking such inquiries may be prescribed to issue a certificate that where the competent authority comes to conclusion। हाँ, अब इसमें ये देखिए, an agreed part and out of the competent pass under section, ये कब होगा?
Social status certificate.
कितने इसमें रूल्स भी निकालिए तो पंडित जी।
Rule 9.
ये 9 क्या बोलता है?
Rule 9 social status certificate.
हाँ
The competent authority after receiving application under sub rule 1 or 2, 3
हाँ
and conducting an inquiry under rule 8 and in case where himself is not an inquiry officer after satisfying himself with the annexed documents and report of the inquiry officer within 1 month from the date of receipt of application shall issue the certificate.
then what is the fault of the person? ये रूल में आ गया ना? Yes, the very good, ये रूल that will be help for the other people also। भाई आप एक महीना अगर ऑफिसर काम ना करे तो बेचारा तो गया, फिर सड़क में आ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा। The state of Chhattisgarh has framed this Chhattisgarh scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward class regulation of social status clarification act 2023 and in pursuance of the power confirmed under the act of section 19 of the act, they have made the rules also. These rules are called as Chhattisgarh scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes regulation of social status clarification bracket close rules 2013 full stop। Section 8 of the section 5 of the act provides the procedure for issuance of caste certificate। The section 3 है sir, section 3 है, section 3 of the act reads as under and the rules framed in exercise of power। rule 8 पढ़ रहे थे ना मैडम?
Rule 9 law.
Rule 9, the rule 9 provides the rule 3 of the said rules provides application for issuance of certificate, comma the rule 4 provides registration of application, rule 5 provides preliminary inquiry of the application, receipt and return memo, and rule 6 provides inability memo. Similarly, 7 provides rule inquiry officer, 8 provides inquiry officer inquiry, and rule 9 provides, which reads as under social status certificate. The competent authority after receiving application under sub rule 1 of rule 3 and conducting an inquiry under rule 8 and in case where himself is not an inquiry officer after satisfying himself with the annexed document and report of the inquiry officer within 1 month from the date of receipt of the application shall issue the certificate in form number 14A to the applicant of scheduled caste, in form number 4A2 to the applicant of scheduled tribe, and in form 4A3 to the applicant of other backward class. From the above stated rules, it is quite vivid that within 30 days from the date of submission of the application, the subdivisional officer should have issued the caste certificate, which was not issued till 30/12/2019. As such, it cannot be said that there is any fault of the petitioner. Concerning this aspect of the matter and the rules which have been framed by the state, and even the section 9 of the act provides that if the caste certificate is found to be incorrect, the candidature of the petitioner can be very well questioned, can be very well turned down. Since the sufficient safeguards have been framed in the act, and the rules specifically cast a duty upon the authorities to decide the application of the caste certificate within 1 month from the date of submission, as such, it cannot be said where once the petitioner has filed the application within the time period, the authority and as such the petitioner cannot be held responsible for the lapses committed by the officer authorities in not issuing the caste certificate. Therefore, the annexure P1 deserves to be set aside. Accordingly, it is clear the writ petition is allowed. The state is directed to issue the appointment order. If there is no other appointment, it is made clear that the petitioner will not entitled to get any seniority or other service benefit till he join the services. The writ petition is allowed.